Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of Junior 1, and our today's topic is write in numbers 21 to 40. Today's lecture number 2. Dear students, in previous class we have already learned write in numbers 1 to 20. In this class we will learn write in numbers 21 to 40. In 21 to 40 all numbers are 2 digits numbers. So the name of 2 digits are ones place and tens place. That means one digits we have to put in tens place and another digits we have to put in ones place. At first 21, here in tens place we have to write these 2 and 1 have to write in ones place. Now next number 22, here 2 have to keep fixed in tens place and we have to change ones place digit. Instead of 1 now we have to write this digit, that means 2. Now we have to write 23. Here we have to keep fixed 2 in tens place and just we have to change the digits of ones place. Instead of 2 now we have to write digit 3. Here in tens place 2 will come and in ones place now we have to write these digits, that means 4, 24. Now we have to write 25. In tens place 2 will come and in ones place instead of 4 now we have to write next digits, that means 5, 25. Now 26. 2 will come in tens place and next digits, that means 6 will come in ones place. Now we have to write 27. We have to keep fixed 2 in tens place and have to change ones place digit. Now after 6 next digit is 7, so we have to write 7 in this place, 27. Now 28, 2 have to write in tens place and ones place. Now we have to write this symbol, that means 8 have to write here. This is 28. Now 29. We will write 2 in tens place and now next digit, that means 9 have to write in ones place. Now the students, next number is 30. If we write 2 in tens place, there is no another digit after 9 which we can write in ones place. So now we have to change the digit of tens place. Now instead of 2 we have to write 3 in tens place and now we in ones place at first we will write 0. This is 30. Now we will write 31. In tens place now we will keep fixed 3. We will keep 3 in tens place and have to change digits of ones place. Instead of 0 now we will write 1 in ones place. Now in tens place we will write 3 and have to change digits of ones place. Instead of 1 now we will write 2. Now 33. In tens place we will write 3 and in ones place after 2 there 3 exists. So we have to write 3 here, 33. Now 34. We will write 3 in tens place and in ones place instead of 3 now we will write 4. This is 34. Now we will write 35. Here in tens digit we will write 3 and in ones place we have to write now 5. 35. Now 36. In tens place we will write 3, and in ones place after 5 here digit 6 exists, so have to write 6 here. Now 37. In tens place we will write 3, and 7 we will write 7 in ones place. 38. Keeping fixed 3 in tens place. In ones place now we have to write digit 8. 39. We will write 3 in tens place and have to write 9 in ones place. Now the students, the next number is 40, which is 1 greater than 31. If we write 3 in tens place, there is no other digit after 9 which we can write in ones place. So now we have to change the digit of tens place. Instead of 3, we have to write now 4. After 3 here number digit 4 exists. So in tens place we have to write 4 now. Now again we have to start from 0. That means in one place we will write 0. And next number, at the time of writing 41, we have to write 4 in tens place and have to write 1 in ones place. At the time of writing 42, we have to write 4 in tens place and have to write 2 in ones place. Okay, dear the students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.